Civarten dataset. But the question is, what is the novelty that he approached? Yeah. So, do you know CNN, guys? Do you know CNN method? Do you know convolutional neural network method? Anyone from you that know that or ever heard about that method, CNN? Please raise hand. Nah, this is, aduh, CNN, cepat nih. Okay, for example, like this ya. Nah, this is convolutional neural network. This is the deep learning method that commonly used for image. And as we know that this is not a new method anymore. But the student use this CNN using public dataset, and this is CIFAR dataset. Similar like you do spam detection using SpamHam dataset for thesis. Of course, that looks like very easy, but after I check the document in detail, the student applied something new. So in the CNN, we have one process. Nah, this is, I will open it. Nah, we have pooling layer. The pooling layer itself is the process to reduce the dimension. So you can see in here ya. Aduh, sorry. Wait. So you can see in here ya, if we compare, this is still original size and this is after pooling. So there is a reductional size process in the pooling, which is the pooling goals itself ya, to reduce the dimension. Nah, commonly method for reduce dimension can be used is like max pooling, average pooling, and so on. But the student use adaptive pooling. So what adaptive means? It means that the size of the pooling will be different each process. The size of the pooling result will be different for each step. So if you can see in here, they have two types, two pooling layers. Yeah, this is the first one and this is the second one. And it's very possible if we have more than 10 or more than 20. More than 20 in the architecture. Nah, in here, the size already fixed, but the student made it variate for each layer. That's we call as adaptive pooling, yeah. So sometimes the novelty itself not the big one, but a little that can make a difference in your research. Okay, yeah, only intermezzo lah ya. Okay, I will recheck your attendance. Wait. Agung Prabowo present ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Alvita not coming. Arius.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Bagas, Fitria.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay, and then Cindy. Okay, and then Emma.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Fauzi.
Yes, ma'am.
And then,
Hello? Yeah.
okay, Julie Violeta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then Salma Anissa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sutanto present.
Present, ma'am.
And then Taufik Hidayat.
Yes, ma'am.
Present. Titi also present ya. And the last one is Yulia.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you know where is Alvita Azalia, guys? Since Alvita didn't text me for several days, so Alvita haven't do the midterm, by the way, in our information retrieval class. Do you know where is she, guys? or maybe one of you have a good communication maybe with her. Please to remind her to text me ya, since the deadline of the grade submission is extends until tomorrow, so we still have time, yeah, one day lah, for change the grade. So if you have a good communication with her, please to remind her to text me, okay? Okay. Any question before we close? Don't forget, yeah, we have makeup class on this Saturday and prepare the practice. Okay, David. Hi, David.
Yeah, sorry, ma'am. This is, I think, I enrolled this because the police got a problem enroll, so I did ask to Mbak Nadela that can I join the class, and I already text to you at WA, I
Oh
guess.
yeah, I haven't checked it. I will check it, yeah. By the way, your advisor haven't validate your enrollment, yeah, David.
Yes,
Okay.
and I already message email into academic, but the academic ignore my email like 1
Okay.
week.
Who is your advisor? Maybe Miss Nadal can help you.
So my advisor is Chung Wanson, and
Okay.
Chung Wanson said that we have you done to text the academic, but yes, the academic still ignore my email like that.
Yeah. Please ask for help to Miss Nadella, yeah. She will help you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, if no question, let's close everyone. Thank you so much for your I just call Avita and remind her. Okay, thank you so much, Bu Winarti. Okay, see you on this Saturday. Good evening, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Thank you,
warahmatullahi
ma'am.
wabarakatuh.
Have a good evening, ma'am. Thank you.